Okay, so this is my website that I made. This is basically a movie watch list app. I built using PHP and MySQL. Hosted on render.com. Yeah, so let's start off. We got login and register right here. Let's go register. Let's make an account called test account 2 because I made another one, but the recording failed. At gmail.com. Username. Oh, no. Test account 2. Password, I'll keep it to myself. And basically the way this works, it validates, it just PHP makes sure that everything's good. It's gonna check to make sure the email is valid, username's unique, yeah, everything like that. So for instance, right, if there's no @ symbol, it's gonna make sure. So test account 2, just to make sure. Don't want to save that. So now we go to the login. So once login, PHP grabs the record from the database which is stored. It checks the password against, I guess, what's stored, and it makes sure it matches. If it matches, you're good. So let's go login. We're gonna go test account 2 and log in with the password. Don't want to save. Okay, so now this is the main page. It's gonna show all the movies in the database. When you apply filters, I'll show that later on. It's gonna basically sort, and PHP builds the SQL query based on what you selected. So let me just show the thing right now. You have all these movies. Make sure they're out of year, so approve it. You go to year, search. It's gonna organize everything by year. Fire and Ash 2025, 2025, 2019, 2011, 23. Let's go reset. Let's search up Avengers. Search. We're gonna get Endgame right here. Is there any other Avenger? No. So yeah, that's basically that. I explained the filter sort. Now we're gonna go in the view section. View. This you can see the title, the type. This is a feature, year, the API ID. This is basically automatic. Once you search up your movie, I'll show that later. On IMDb, every movie has a tag, and this is this tag for it. In the source API, I'll show a manual what manual looks like. This one's test movie part 1. We got that manually, or we put that in manually. So I put in manually test movie part 1. I put in movie 2022. There is no API ID because this is again manually, so there's no, I guess, unique code for it. Source manual. So yeah, I'll show how the watch list works right now. So now if I toggle watch list, it's gonna take me here, add it to your watch list, and it automatically adds it. I have the option to remove it here. So now let me just toggle a couple stuff. So basically this works. PHP gets like the user movie table, and basically it checks a database. If it's not in your watch list, it adds it. So now I guess now that we have some movies added, let's go to My Movies. Over here, you have movie title. You can search it by movie title, type. You can do the sort options here. You can do limit. But for now, I'll just show this. You have each one of these with a little summary. View. This is again, you can remove it, go back, and you could also remove it from your actual My Movies watch list. So basically, the way this works, it has a certain ID for your watch list. Once you remove it, toggles it off, so it takes it out of the database. I'll show all databases at the end. But yeah, so now if you go back, what movie was it? I think it was Avengers. Yeah. So we go back, toggle, takes it here, add it to watch list, My Movies. There we go. So now let's search up movie title. Actually, let me just go back and add all of them so it makes sense. Okay, I think that should be enough. So now, if I want to go by Hulk, search. The sort's basically the same for everything. Year, same process, it just puts everything in order with PHP. 2025, 2025, 2019, 11, that. Order, do you want it descending? Oh, let me go all the way actually, descending. 2003, 11, 19, there you go. So I guess now next would be profile page. This this again shows your watch list, shows view, but also shows your profile account. So again, test account 2, username is my username, this is the way I joined. You could edit. In edit, you could fix whatever email, change it if you want, and this automatically changes to the what's saved. New password, you gotta put the same. So let's say I'll put, let me show you the errors actually. I'm just gonna put a fake current password, and let's say I want a password. Let's do that, and then try updating. Wait, let's do this again. Well, yeah, you need a confirmation on how long it is. I guess a good thing we showed that. And then, I guess new passwords don't match then. I guess did a typo. But yeah, oh shoot, what was my password I made? I think it was this, and then I put the right password here. Let's do, okay, yeah. So once you put the actual correct password and actual matching passwords, then we could go update it. Ooh, I kind of forgot what I updated it to, but I think it should be fine. Yeah. So now, view, same thing. And now I'm gonna go to my admin account. Password. Now, the difference is you don't have this edit and delete on a regular account. And we could show you that here, but I'll show that later on. So landing, same thing. My movies, same thing except for the edit delete. Edit, what can edit do? I can change the name, I can change the feature, I can change the year. But because it's because it is a automatic one, I don't want to do that. So I'll show with test movie one, for instance. I can make it the year 2088. I'm gonna click update. If it wants to update, okay. Update a record, perfect. 2080, right there. So let's go by year. Search, number one right there. Same things, same process. We can go back to view. These are my things. We have the back button. So we have the back button made, so it takes you just, I guess, back here. What do I want to do now? View. Yeah, it takes you to the back query, which is good. I guess I'll go into the create roles, list roles, assign roles. Create role. I can make any role. I don't have one right now, but let's say superintendent. Role to be super. Create role, superintendent. Okay. So now roles, assign roles. Username. Let's do test account 2. Search. Click him. Let's make him superintendent. Yeah. So now we have roles. Roles again. We got admin -1, superintendent 1. Basically, just these ones are just, I guess, categories. If I assign someone -1, that means that the person is an admin now. It's just substitution. If I assign someone as 1, they are now superintendent. So he went over assign, I went over list, and went over create. Now movies. Now let's start off with create movie. Over here, fetch. This is when we could, I guess, grab movies to go in the database. So for instance, we're gonna reset, make sure there's only for 6 movies. What's a good movie? What's a good movie everyone likes? Let's do, I'm pretty sure SpongeBob has a movie. Okay, SpongeBob. So now, SpongeBob SquarePants the movie right here. It shows feature, type feature, year, the tag. Again, if you search this up, it's gonna be the tag for the movie, and source API because we fetched it, so it's API. So now I'll show a comparison to creating a movie. We're gonna make this movie Crazy awesome movie. And we're gonna make this a super movie. Let's do year 2303. Create. Go landing page. We got crazy awesome movie. Type super movie year 2303. No ID because it is manual. And then it says here manual. Next, we're gonna list movies. In list movies, again, same sort method. If we wanna do year, search. There we go. But I'm just gonna reset everything so we show it better. And each ID is based on, I guess, when it was put in and then what ID it is. So Avengers Endgame, ID 3, this was put in 3rd. Avatar 6. And there were gonna be no repeat IDs, so it would be impossible for it. If it is, then something's broken. So now, actions. We have view, edit, delete. View, we go back. We just see the summary, sorry. Edit, we can edit, as we said. Delete. This is now going to delete it from the actual database. So we go Avengers Endgame. We go, where were we? Let's use, I think. Delete it, successfully deleted. We go back, Avengers is gone. And basically, let's, what's it called? This is only an admin role. So basically, the table is generated, and I guess I could show it right now. Each one, it takes it from wherever's fetched. It puts the tag right here, the ID right here, name, the type of, I guess it is a movie, a short film, whatever. I guess the year, I guess time created, is API, and active. Is API, 1 means it is it was automatic, and then 0 means manual. Is it active? It's just if it's in someone's watch list right now. So now we went over this one. Let's go to all user movies. Okay, so now same thing. ID, type, year, added, and this is how many people have this in their thing, in their watch list. So for instance, Action Fire, test account, and 111 has it. So now there's 2 people total. Thor, yeah, MHJ, I have it, and test account 2 has it. So there's 2. F1, test account 2 is the only one that has it. So it's that. View, same thing, and then delete. What did I delete? I forgot. I forgot what movie I deleted. That's nice. But yeah. So now we go assign movie. So now let's search up test account 2, and let's say we want him to have, I think we had crazy right here. So let's click him. We click this movie that we want to add to him, and then assign movies, and it's right here that he has the movie now. So all user movies, crazy awesome, 1, it's in his account. So that's the proof, kind of. Unassociated movies. This is the movies that no one has added at all. So we have F1 movie and the SpongeBob movie. So now let's go landing. Let's go SpongeBob movie. Let's add it to my list. Let's go unassociated movies. It's gone. Yeah. So I guess that's the full thing. I'm now going to show you the databases. So now user. These are all the test accounts and stuff I was using. Yeah, a lot of those. And each one has their own ID. Again, no 2 can be overlapping. Some accounts were deleted. And these are the usernames for it. User roles. So remember, this one was admin, and this one 12. That was the superintendent. Now, if we go to here, roles, well, yeah, right here. Sorry, this is the people that have it. Now, right here, IT202, spring 2026 user movies. This is the people that have the movies there. And let me finish this. And these are the actual movie IDs. This is, I guess, what's being tracked. And we'll be going to other things. So now, movie 6. Let's see, movie 6. Avatar Fire and Ash. So let's go here, my movies. Added. So now you see user 1 added this and it's there. Let's go to remove. Remove from watch list. There you go, gone. I'll show you with the database too. Everything's a soft delete, by the way, so it stays here, but it just goes from 1 and 0. So let's go. What's the last movie I added? I guess let's just delete SpongeBob movie. So this is 1, so that means it is active. And did I do that right? I'm gonna switch over. Crazy other movies, super movies, 2331. Okay, then let me try another one really fast. Avatar Ash and Fire. So yeah, that went from, I guess, was active to not active anymore. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong one. That's why. Crazy Awesome Movie. That's this one. So yeah, now it's 0. Okay. So now we have also, I guess, I don't know if I went over the remove, but it's just the same thing, toggles on and off. Roles, assign roles, unassociated movies, went over that. Yeah. So I guess this is what each one is. And these are all the codes for it. SQL, we have the databases that everything goes in that sorts it. The actual cards. So for each, I guess, block of movie, that is done by. Where's movie card? Right here. Okay. So this is gonna be the movie card, and this is gonna show everything. Type year, IP source, type 2025, API ID source. Let's go through each database. So now this is the user movies ID, user ID, movie ID created, modified, ID, API ID, title here, modified. And these ones are the basic ones that everyone has. So besides that, this is the landing page. This is gonna have the way everything looks. And by the way, we use Bootstrap for the way everything looks. For instance, what can I show? This is just the automation. Let's go. Where do I want to go? My movies. This is, I guess, the stuff that's in the movies. And then if we go to the way everything's directed, that would be through here, through nav. All these drop downs are done through nav in, for instance, right here, the movies section. Movies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, create list all users assigned as unassociated. Create list all users assigned unassociated. Same thing for roles. Create list assigned, create list assigned. We got buttons. This is the way everything works. Again, through Bootstrap. We use their certain color ID. Yes, the way everything looks straight up through Bootstrap. Anything else? I guess just log out, and then that's it. Thank you.